Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I just want to go over having a grateful heart and what it will do for you. First of all, I am grateful for each and every one of you. I know there's tons of other people you can listen to, but I appreciate each and every one of you that stop to give me a few minutes of your time. A grateful heart will bring you more to be grateful for. If you can develop a habit every morning when you wake up to look for the things that you're grateful for, even the birds that come to your bird feeder, or the sounds of your kitty cats, or whatever it is that's surrounding you, the nice cool breeze that comes through the trees in the morning. You can be grateful for the simplest things, and it actually brings you more to be grateful for. Things will show up in your life that you didn't even expect. Set your intent on being grateful. Spend a day being grateful. Even write down what you're grateful for in a gratitude journal. These just help you to look at them and see what manifests in your life. More love, more compassion, more caring, more physical items, food, money, gas for your car, whatever it is, keep track of it. A little blessing journal, excuse me, would be amazing to help you bring more in. There's so much we take for granted on a daily basis. If you think about it, the food we eat, the water that we drink, being able to turn on the tap to have running water, being able to take a shower, soap, shampoo, toilet paper, just these are items we need every day. But we have to remember some people don't have these. So it's in our best interest to keep a grateful heart. At all times, look for things to be grateful for. We find ourselves too often crabbing and complaining about something that happened or something that we want didn't show up. And we don't want to do that. We want to catch ourselves, and we all do it. We want to realign with gratefulness for what we do see in our lives so that we can bring more in. We're not going to bless our children if they're always crabbing and complaining about what they already have and they're not taking care of it. So we want to make sure we are also doing this. We have to catch ourselves when we're in that mood where we look around and something we wanted to manifest isn't here yet. That's where patience comes in. But to bring it in faster, have a grateful heart, have an attitude of gratitude, and look around on purpose for things to be grateful for. With that, I just encourage you to do this. And I hope you're having an amazing day. And just look for the things that show up in your life and obviously be grateful for them as they do. This is powerful and it will help you manifest even quicker. With that, God bless you all. I love you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.